We're buzzing with excitement as we unveil a sneak peek at the Samsung Galaxy F55, a device that's been the center of speculation and anticipation for quite some time. Samsung is on the brink of unveiling this much-anticipated mid-range marvel, and thanks to the latest leaks from M. Sharma, we're getting our first real glimpse at what's to come. The Galaxy F55 is breaking away from its predecessors with a sleek transition from plastic to a more refined metal frame, paired with a classy glass back, staying true to the slim design ethos of the Galaxy A series but with an added twist, the innovative Key Island design. For those who value storage, the F55 is set to impress with options ranging from 128GB to 256GB, not to mention up to 12GB of RAM for the power users out there. And for the color aficionados, the device doesn't skimp, offering shades in black, blue, white, and potentially more. Diving into the tech specs, the Galaxy F55 is powered by the Exynos 1480 chipset, a beacon of performance especially for gaming enthusiasts, thanks to its GPU built on AMD's RDNA2 architecture. The camera setup is nothing short of spectacular, boasting a 50MP primary camera complemented by 12MP ultrawide and 5MP macro cameras and a 32MP front-facing camera for those pristine selfies. As we look forward to the Galaxy F55's potential to redefine the mid-range smartphone market with its stellar hardware and sleek design, we're eager to hear your thoughts. What's your take on the updated design and the powerful internals? Leave your comments below and make sure to subscribe for all the latest updates. Stay tuned as we continue to track the rollout of this exciting device, and until next time, peace out. Moreover, the Galaxy A55 5G is inching closer to launch, promising a slew of updates and features that have fans on the edge of their seats. The F50 series has consistently delivered impressive features at an attractive price point, and the F55 is expected to uphold this legacy. With the launch just around the corner, we delve into the known details, from variations in price expectations to design, display, and beyond. Anticipated to stay under the $500 per £500 mark, the device will offer a fresh, Key Island design in a trio of captivating colors. Powered by the Exynos 1480 chipset and the AMD-based Xclipse 530 GPU, performance enhancements are on the horizon. While the camera setup might not see revolutionary changes, the quality it promises is already a great deal. Battery life and charging capabilities look promising, with fast charging support and a hefty 5000 mAh battery expected. Connectivity is bolstered by Bluetooth 5.3, and on the software front, Android 14 and One UI 6 are set to deliver a seamless experience. What are your expectations for the Galaxy A55's launch? Are the upgrades and new features stirring up excitement for you? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more tech updates.